Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. In today's episode, I am going to teach you how to cook rice, Filipino style. Ganito po magsaing ang mga Pinoy. Place the rice in the rice cooker. We are using basmati rice. First is to wash the rice with tap water. I'm rubbing the rice using my palms. Drain the water. And rinse again for the second time. Next is you add water to the rice. The unique thing about Filipinos cooking rice is that we measure it through our fingers. We use our finger to measure the level of the water. So this means we need to add some more water, especially if we are using a certain type of rice, since we are using basmati, and basmati needs more water than ordinary rice. Make sure we need to wipe the container before putting it in the rice cooker. Turn on the switch and press the cook button. Our rice is cooked. That's how Filipinos cook their rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to turn off the switch, and also please subscribe to our channel.